Hi everybody, Craig Cherlet here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm super excited because I'm unboxing the One Funnel Away Challenge box. I got a little bit late because I've already started the pre-training, but I'm just in time for the full-on training happening starting on Monday. So without further ado, let's open up this thing and see what's inside. So right off the bat, some good content. Here we go. Your training officially begins now. To each, there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. Sir Winston Churchill. Very cool. We dive in some material here that talks about how you can earn $100 every time you refer somebody. Already been doing that. I'm a ClickFunnels affiliate and I've referred a few people and I've earned a few $100 already with this whole challenge. So super cool. Right off the bat, look at this little cool thing here. This to me I think is the MP3 player with all of the really cool audio components of this whole One Funnel Away challenge. Super neat. And we got this nicely wrapped book, I'm thinking here. Very cool. As we dive in a little bit more, some cool stuff. The kids are going to love that stuff. All kinds of fuzzy stuff. 2 Comma Club coaching. So a nice little brochure on this. I'll have to dive into that. Check that out. That looks really cool. The One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. So I've been printing these off for the first week here, but these are all the different missions, as you can see, and all the work that you have to do. This is good because I haven't seen the ones that are happening starting next week. So really excited to dive in here. Hooks, and more hooks, Epiphany Bridge, all kinds of great stuff. So super excited about that. And I think that's it. So that's the whole kit. This book, I've already read a lot of these, what's in here. These are from the 30-day summit. This is one of the coolest books. Oh, $100 of Russell bucks. Very cool. And the 30days.com book. This is a really cool book. I've read a lot of the stories in here. This is really a question that Russell asked out to a whole bunch of his 2 Comma Club winners. These are people that have made over $1 million. You know, what would you do from day 1 to day 30 if you lost it all and had to start over? You know, no list, no website, basically from zero. So there's a whole ton of great stories in here. Again, stuff that you can model. So I'm super excited to have this one on my shelf. Jeremy McGilvery. Who else is in here? Stacy and Paul Martino. I know Spencer Meekum is in here for those affiliate marketers looking for stuff to do. But Dana Derricks. So much great stuff in here. Super excited to dive in. That's the box. If you're interested in the One Funnel Away Challenge, check out the link below. This is one of the coolest challenges. I've been on it for a week now in the pre-training where we're really just building belief. And I'm excited to get into the tactics next week, starting in a couple days here. So get yours. Get in on this challenge. It's super cool. Check the link below. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Craig Cherlet. And hey, like Russell always says, you're just one funnel away.